Hey guys, Marcus here, and I'm doing a review. Excuse me, on my fireworks stash this year. Not really a stash, but like I didn't watch this much this year because I'm kind of growing out of the fireworks. I didn't really get much as like a lot of people do. But first, let me start off with I got some Chinese rockets. Chinese. I got some. Yeah, I know they kind of suck, but Wolfpack. Don't know what they do, but I hope they're good. These ones I'm really looking forward to. The Four Horsemen rockets. These I really think I'm gonna like the lunar space rocket. Yeah. I got two of them, so. No, that's not it. I still got like a lot. See what I got. I think I got M88s, firecrackers. Yeah, I got plenty of those. Plenty of M88s. I just got a lot of rockets. I got these blue streak rockets. Oh, and you can obviously see I got. I'm sorry for like the way I hold the camera. I can't really get on a good angle. I just got Whistler's bottle rockets. Hold on. Damn, that's hard to get out. I got some Thrill Whistle rockets. Saber Rock. I don't know if you can see it. I think it says Saber Rockets. Jumbo Whistler Wolf Pack. Got them. And most down there just duplicates, so yeah, and I got two cakes. So I got Shriller. I think another one is a Shriller, yeah. Cause Phantom Fireworks had a buy one get one free sale, so yeah, I took advantage of that. So yeah, that's my fireworks stash. I got more fireworks in my shed, like I got firecrackers and shit, but they're probably old and damp. They've been in there for over 3 years, so I don't know. But see you guys later. I'm out. Peace.